Hi everyone, and welcome to Shape Your Future Healthy Kitchen, sponsored by TSET. I'm Heidi. I'm here with Chef Val from OUTU School of Community Medicine. Always a pleasure. And I feel like we've got a lot going on. I see food processor, so I'm just gonna let you run with it.
Okay, so yes, for this recipe, you probably do need a food processor or a high power blender or something, because we're going to blend up beans and roasted carrots. Okay, so we're making a roasted carrot hummus. So these are just some garbanzo beans or chickpeas straight from the can, and some lemon juice and lemon zest.
Okay.
Makes it taste really super delicious.
Oh, you can smell it. It smells amazing.
And then some tahini, which is ground sesame seeds. So it's a sesame paste.
Okay.
Okay, and that just goes right in. And then a big pinch of black pepper, a little pinch of salt. And then in this bowl we have cumin, turmeric, actually maybe a little salt and pepper, and some Korean chili flakes. Now, we made this yesterday, and we used some harissa, which is a chili paste. But you could use Tabasco hot sauce. You could use sriracha. You could leave it out altogether. You could use the little Mazzio's packet of chili flakes, right? Right.
Well, that was my question, because some of these ingredients, let's be honest, are a little unfamiliar to me even. Is it easy to substitute? These are important things to have.
I would say that if you were going to skimp on anything, I would usually keep the cumin for sure.
Okay.
But if you wanted to sub some other things out, you can totally do that. And then the most important ingredient is the roasted carrots. Yeah, so we did our back to basics segments back in January. And so this is roasting, so we're just chopping up the vegetables, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper, goes into a hot oven, roast them uncovered until they're nice and soft, because if they were covered, it wouldn't be roasting, right? It'd be steaming. Oops.
Oh, you're just throwing them around. It's
Man
totally
down.
fine.
Okay, so some olive oil.
Okay. And this is all just being thrown together.
Right, and we may use a little more olive oil in just a second. But I'm just going to blend this.
Okay.
And it's going to take us just a minute. So I'm going to pull some blend and scrape down the sides and be right back.
Okay.
Okay, so this has just been blending, and I've been scraping down the sides as needed so that everything is nice and smooth and blended. Yes.
Oh, looks great. The
yes,
color is amazing.
It is. I think it's one of the most delicious hummuses I've ever had.
Oh, well, for you and being a chef, that's
I really liked it. I thought it was
high
so
quality
yummy.
there.
And I will say, this sweet potato would be a great substitution. Butternut squash, beets, any kind of root vegetable that's going to have that same texture would be great.
So you're basically just adding, because obviously like the bean, the chickpea, things like that are the hummus of what people are familiar with.
Right.
You're just adding a little vegetable into your diet, a little more subtly.
Right.
To find those ways to get it in, making those small differences, big changes.
Right.
Okay.
And so that's the one that we made yesterday, and it has a different chili in it, but it's still delicious. And so take a little taste of that.
Good, and it's so pretty. So this is a great little appetizer, friends over, things like that.
And don't forget to use hummus as a spread on sandwiches. You could even thin it out with a little bit of water and use it as a dressing on salads.
Okay.
And so you're actually getting even more fiber in a salad by doing that.
Oh my goodness, I totally agree with you. This is delicious.
I loved it.
It's a great way to just add those vegetables into your diet. So if you want to learn more about this recipe or any of the other recipes, head to kjrh.com.